Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in. I hope you all are well. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to revamp your curly hair. So this wig was sent to me by my customer. She ordered this hair in 2020 and this time around she brought it to me to change the lace. This is actually the third time we are changing the lace on this wig because she wears this wig a lot and the quality of the hair is really good. That's why she has been able to keep the wig for this long. So when she brought the wig, I noticed that it was tangled and it needed revamping, like washing and conditioning. So I decided to do that for her. So the first thing I did was boil hot water. So what I did is I mixed the boiled water with a little bit of room temperature water, and then I dipped the hair into the water. I left it in the water for about 20 to 25 minutes. You can leave it longer if you have the time. I was in a hurry, so I left it for just 20 to 25 minutes. And the next thing I'm doing is using my fingers to detangle this hair because it was really tangled. I don't know why she did not maintain this hair. So I'm using my finger to detangle it to reduce the amount of breakage, because if I go into detangling this hair with a brush, it's going to shed too much. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply deep conditioner on the hair. This will also help to detangle the hair better. So the deep conditioner is to detangle the hair just to reduce the amount of breakage as well. So as you can see, I'm detangling the hair starting from the tip and I'm gradually working my way to the top. So that's basically how you should detangle your hair. You start from the tip and you work your way to the top. Using your finger to detangle the hair before using a brush also helps with the amount of breakage. So I'm just going to continue to detangle this hair till I'm done taking out all the knots. So after detangling the hair, this is what it looks like. I'm going to rinse out this deep conditioner using warm water, and when I'm done, I will use a shampoo to wash the hair to get rid of the dirt. I usually don't use shampoo to wash my curly hair often, but in this case I had to because I noticed the hair was dirty, so I had to use shampoo to wash it. So this shampoo that I'm using is from Fanola, and this is their Coily Shine shampoo. So when washing, you want to make sure to wash the cap as well to get rid of the dirt, the sweat, the products, everything. Just make sure you wash the cap. So after squeezing out the water, I went back to reapply the deep conditioner to give the hair moisture and also to help with the detangling process. And I'm repeating that same process that I did earlier. I started from the tip and I worked my way to the top. So after detangling the hair, I left the deep conditioner on the hair for more than 30 minutes. I can't remember how long. It was around 30 to 40, but you can leave it longer. I always advise to leave it longer, but like I said, I was in a hurry to finish up with this wig, so I only left it for that long. So right now I'm going to use cold water. Guys, please take note. Cold water when rinsing out your deep conditioner, please use cold water. That way it will retain the moisture on the hair, because if you use what hot water will strip out the moisture that you just added. So make sure to use cold water, and that's what I'm doing right now. And after that, I'm going to squeeze out the water one more time and detangle the hair, and then I'm going to hang it to air dry. I don't use heat to dry my curly hair. I don't dry it under the sun. I don't use heat. I just air dry it in a cool place. And that's basically how I revamped this hair. Imagine how this hair was looking in the beginning of this video. Just compare it to how it looks now. You can definitely tell that there is a big difference. So I hope you try out this method. I also have other videos on how to revamp coily hair. Kindly check them out, and please guys, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. I promise to do better this 2024. I know I always say that, but I promise to do better this 2024, and I promise to take you guys along in my hair business journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.